Hey guys, this is my solution and explanation to the Codeforces problem, way too long words. So let me share my screen. Alright, so this is what we have so far. Sometimes some words like localization or internationalization are so long that writing them many times in one text is quite tiresome. So let's see. Let's consider a word too long if it's more than 10 characters. And if it's more than 10 characters, it should be replaced with a special abbreviation. And the abbreviation is something like this. We write down the first and last letter. So let me annotate. So for localization, it would just be L. And then we write the number of letters between the first and last letters. So we do all the way to here. And that would be 10. So L, 10. And then the last letter is N. So the answer would be L10N. And it goes for the same thing for any other letter or word that is more than 10 characters long. And if it's less than 10 characters long, we just print out the word because we can't abbreviate it, which is stated here in this part. Okay, let's implement an idea. Alright, let's just create a variable, call it n, and then we'll cn n. And then we'll create a string variable. So it's not string input. We'll set it to be this. And now we'll create a for loop and we'll run it n times, since we have to see in that string n times. So here, like, if n was 4, then we would take in 4 words. And we would print out 4 things. So the cn input. And now let's create an if statement. So if input.size, which is the amount of letters in the string, if it's greater than 10, then we'll print out input 0, which is the first letter, and then we'll print out input.size minus 2, which is the amount of letters in between, since if we subtract the first and last letter, we'll have the remaining letters. And then for the last one, we would print out input, and then we'll print out the input.size minus 1. And we'll see out that. So the last part would be we'll see out the size of the string minus 1. So if the size of the string was, say, 11, then it become 10, and then it would print out the 10th element, or the 10th letter of input. So it would be like that. And now, let me just stretch it so it doesn't look weird. Yeah, okay. And now else, which means input.size is less than 10, then we would see out input, because we can't do anything with it. Now let's run. So let's do a word, say localization. It's L10N. And now let's copy in this. So let's just press copy, and it's on our clipboard now. We'll go to main. Okay, run. And then we'll do this. Let me create an endl. My bad. So this doesn't look all scrambled up, and let's do it again. Alright. And now it is word, and then it's L10N, and then I18N and P43S. And let me add another NL here. That is my bad. Let's create an NL here too. Now let's do it one more time. Make sure it completely works. Nope, that did not work. Oh, I don't need one here. And then for this one, I just need to put this. Okay. Yes, this should work. Yeah, okay. Oh, yeah, okay. This code should work. Let's see. Yep, okay. I just need to add some endls here and there. So this is our idea for way too long words, and sorry for all the endl troubles. My bad. Now let's submit it because yeah. Okay, submit. Now we'll submit it. We'll press submit. Let's see. Running. Accepted. So yes, so a recap of what we did in this video. So let's go back to the code. We took in the input, and then we checked if it was the string size was greater than 10, then we would print out the first letter, the number of letters in between the first and last letter, and the last letter. And then if it was not greater than 10, we would just see out input. So that's it. And now it's accepted. So if you have any questions, put it in the comments. Thank you.
Nice.